More than 500,000 people have contracted COVID-19 in Missouri, with more than 500 new cases reported just today. It's still a reminder that COVID-19 is still impacting our community.
But right now, local counties are facing vaccine hesitancy with fewer people making appointments. In Wyandotte County, 17% of residents are fully vaccinated, and 27% of people have received at least one dose, compared to the statewide rate of 37%. 41 Action News reporter Emma James tells us how local churches are stepping in to help encourage the community.
In our community, people put a lot of trust in their pastors, and so for that reason, we wanted to use that influence for the good.
Reverend Tony Carter Jr. with Salem Baptist Church hopes he can ease concerns about the COVID-19 vaccine in his community. His approach is simple.
When it's appropriate to share the facts, I try to share the facts, but for the most part, I think people want to know that we really care about them, and that's what we've been trying to demonstrate.
In a culturally diverse county, health leaders must work to build trust with people in minority populations.
And unfortunately, the medical community does have a history of mistreating certain races and ethnicities.
One woman tells us she's holding off on getting the COVID-19 vaccine until more time goes by.
I've chosen to wait just because since it's early on in the testing season and just wanting to have more information before I know what's going into my body.
For Cornelius Roberson, he understands others' hesitancy.
At first, I was too. I felt that way at first. But when you go ahead and get it, go ahead and believe the science. Believe what they've been telling you about how well the vaccine is.
As health leaders in the county continue to fight vaccine hesitancy, they say reaching herd immunity in every community continues to be the goal. So starting Tuesday, anyone 16 or over can come to one of the county's mass vaccine clinics and receive a vaccine, no matter where they live. As the county opens the gates to its neighbors, Reverend Carter hopes his community will come together to reach a common goal.
I think it's got to be driven by our love for each other and our love for the communities where we're living.
In Kansas City, Kansas, Emma James, 41 Action News.